All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we're going to be looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra, while this is a dummy unit here, mine is still in production at the recording of this video. It is February 20th of recording this video. I don't have my original, my devices that are ordered yet. One should be here Friday. And the other one is March 8th, I think, at this point. So we're going to wait it out. But until then, I did get the opportunity of showing you all these cases and things that I've gotten in from several companies, and I appreciate them sending them out. Once again, I've partnered up with Pitaka to bring you a very nice case on the pricey side, and that's been the question for a lot of people. They question the price of their cases that they offer, but I can tell you a lot of that money probably goes into marketing and the packaging itself, because this is a lot just for what's in this box. This is as stated here, genuine red fiber, MagEZ, MagSafe. There's this MagEZ compatible, and I do have the car mount as well. I'll be showing you that at some point or another when I get my real device in. But it is light as a feather, as stated there. And again, this packaging is just saying a whole bunch about the company itself. So you open it up here, and you're greeted with all this information about this simple case in the box, and it is super thin, like all of their cases are, and that is to be expected from them. So I like the design of this one this time around, and that's it. I like the design of this case with the bottom being covered here. Sometimes their cases don't have the top and bottom covered, but with this phone being flat on the top, I guess it was easy for them to make this happen. So this is their little symbol there to let you know that it's MagSafe compatible or MagEZ compatible. And I actually have a MagSafe type device here to show you here. You can see it's gonna hold on super strong. This is from a different company, but it lets you know it is very strong. Oh man, I had to get it out in doing so. So the design of this case right here fits the contours of the device perfectly fine, and you've got the cutouts for the camera and everything like that. Nice little Pitaka logo down there, and on the bottom, I like how they did the S Pen cutout right here with the mic and charging port and speaker. And on top here, you gotta make sure that cutout is there for the microphone on the top. And then along the sides here, you got cut out for the volume and power. And again, this symbol here, this is a very strong case. This symbol here is just some branding from them, letting you know the compatibility of the actual case itself. And then you have the cutout for the camera. So it tells you how to put this case on. But it's actually very simple to go on and off. This case isn't like some of the other cases that I've tried from them, where it's very difficult to get on and off. But in fact, this one has slipped on very easy. So you can see here, you have the cutout for the camera, which now you have some protection for your camera on your S22 Ultra. And then the buttons, it's kind of like a half case on the sides here, so you can make sure you can have quick access to the volume and the power. And then along the top, it is completely covered. Now, I do hope they make a Pro version of this case, because I like the Pro version that they made for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But this is nice that it's covered pretty much the entire bottom and the entire top of this device. And this should prove to be for people who just don't want a huge, bulky device. And then you pair that with their other MagEZ system, which I have a ton of their products. And this is their new Mount Pro, their Car Mount Pro, that you can use to get your devices powered up and charged in the car. And I will show you that in another video. But there it is, folks. This case is one that a lot of people love, and obviously Pitaka is moving units on here, because regardless of the price, a lot of people are probably concerned about the price being $59, but there are people out there who want a quality product, and $59 is not a lot to them, since they spent almost over $1,000, $1,500 probably for the device, depending on which model they got. So this is nice here. I can't wait to put this on my actual unit. It's going to be really nice to finally use another ultra thin case, because these are some really nice cases. I'm really hoping that they bring out the weaved version that they have now out. And it's going to be looking like this right here. It's supposed to be coming soon for the S22 line. You can see them there. It's going to be the Fusion Weave, and they have new products here for the iPhones as well, which really, really nice. I really like how that looks. And here is the new car charger that they're going to be offering right here. You can get a sneak peek at that. It's going to be $60 as well. So this one right here is the one that I have actually in the box right there next to me. So this should be pretty nice to finally get this going on my device when I'm actually able to do it. And here is the ArmorEd fiber case that we're discussing in this video. So I've seen these on Amazon, and I'll try to put the link down in the description if I can find the actual link to it. I was having some trouble because on the website it shows coming soon, but I've seen Amazon links online for it. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have you been supporting Pitaka and this case lineup right here over the years? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.